What's going on, guys? So in today's video, I'm going to do a comparison of the Amazon, you can get them anywhere, Temu probably, the VTA mod, which is the little plug that goes in the recharge pipe, or the pipe that sends the spent boost back in your intake. When you do that, it's a blow-off valve, diverter valve, what do you want to call it, vents to the atmosphere. It's just a cheapo plastic one that's stock. So I'm going to compare that, which is about a $10, $15, $20 mod. Takes about 10 minutes. I went ahead and splurged and got the TurboSmart, which who doesn't love getting decals? This one. So I'm going to see if there's a sound difference. I can already tell there's a quality difference. You know, it's mainly for sound. I have noticed with this mod, I get a little compressor surge sometimes. I don't know if that's going to change with this. They say that gets rid of it, but mainly I'm doing it to see if there's a sound difference. So I'm going to go out. We're going to get some clips with the VTA first. I'm going to install this. I don't know if I'm going to do a full install. I might just show you some tips along the way. I think the only tools you need are like a flathead, screwdriver. I think he said 7mm and 13mm. So I'll kind of show you where that stuff goes. And we'll see if this thing's worth the money. These are about $350 to $370 online. I got mine on American Trucks. I ordered it Sunday. It came today. So shout out to them for quick shipping. This isn't a sponsored video. I bought this myself. So yeah, we'll go get some VTA sounds now. Then we'll put this in and see if it makes much of a difference. I mean, there's a $340 price difference between the two. And this takes a little longer to install, so hopefully it's worth it. So it gives a nice little sound. That was just brake torquing it. We'll go out and get some driving sounds. Guys, sorry if my feet are squeaking on the floor mats. You can see everything's wet today. So first sounds are gonna be with the windows up. And you can hear it with the windows up okay. You know, I don't want this thing to be super loud, so. You can hear it pretty well, and that's with the AFE Monster intake. I did another video on it. If you search the channel, we'll go ahead and roll the window down and see how it sounds. So for 20 bucks, sounds pretty good. We'll get some outside sound clips here in just a sec. I'll do one more inside the truck. And then we'll see how the TurboSmart sounds. So guys online have said it makes a huge difference. I'm skeptical, but we'll see. So it sounds pretty good. Like I said, guys on the forums and stuff have said it makes a huge difference in sound, but I'm curious. So we'll go get some outside shots now, and then we'll get to the install. Hopefully it's not too bad since I have a bum ankle still. Don't mind me, I'm gonna hobble back. You know what I mean. This guy was looking at me like, what the hell are you doing? Walking his little Chihuahua. Anyway, so that's what it sounds like from the outside. Got a couple shots inside and outside. We're gonna go start tearing this thing apart. All right, guys, I didn't film much in progress of doing this. So it definitely sounds louder and it sounds better. We'll go get some sound clips and stuff, but I ran out of time. I had to go pick up kids from school and stuff. Pretty easy progress, but take your time getting the fittings and stuff back on. I'm gonna make sure I don't have a boost leak, and then we'll get some sound clips for you. So it almost makes the turbo sound different. I don't know if the other one was letting off boost pressure early or what. Could be in my head too. So we'll go out here and get some sound clips. We'll do some with the window up now. It's definitely louder. It's a cleaner sound. It sounds more like your stereotypical blow-off valve, where the other one sounded like air brakes on a, you know, semi or something. This thing sounds awesome, guys. I think it's well worth the money. We'll do one more little underload. It's definitely louder, way crisper. So in the truck, I don't feel like it's any louder at all. Just sounds better, sounds cleaner. Is it worth the money? That's your call. I like it, I'm happy with it. It does seem like a much better product than the, or better built than the OEM one. The OEM one just plastic and kind of janky. So we'll get some outside shots and we'll wrap this one up. That was pretty good. All right, guys, so that's gonna wrap this video. Is it worth the money for you? The sound difference, maybe, maybe not. It is a much higher quality part, which I like. I think that's worth its weight in gold right there. And I don't feel the compressor surge that I had before. So yeah, I'll say that's a win. So hopefully you guys like this content. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you all in the next one.